Oh, yeah. Look at this. Mmm. You got carrots, cabbage, onion, sausage, potatoes, green beans, chicken stock, garlic, salt, Italian seasoning, a little butter, a little olive oil, a little water. Throw all that in a crock pot. Mmm. 2 more hours, it'll be ready. Bon appetit.